back to a new episode of Laughing Tales. I'm so excited to have you guys here. We're gonna be going over nothing. We're gonna be laughing at some animals. So let's get started. Here we go, right into the first one. Oh, orange cat behavior. I love it. Oh, sassy. You told me to stop. I'll do the total opposite. Oh, where's he going? I love orange cats. I want one. I want all animals. Oh my god. Oh, that would be so nerve wracking if it just fell. Chill, it's all yours. Jesus, Dracula cow. Oh, open. Oh, this one's saying out. No. Oh, there's having a bath in a pot. Oh, I always thought cats hated water. He's like, what are you doing? Oh, I'm gonna make some noise. You missed the spot. Just shuts it off on his own. Not sure. I don't know why you don't go the other way, buddy. Oh my god. And the other cat's like, what are you, really? Like looking at him like, oh, this dumb? No, I'm just kidding. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Which one was your favorite? Let's go to number 2. Here we go. And on to 2. Here we go. What's this? Nope. Faints. No, no, thank you. The baby's feet. Oh, he's so unimpressed. Nope, not impressed. Oh. Just what? Do you wash your feet? Oh my god. Nope. Oh, just keep that shut. Oh. It's just something with it, Pat. Yeah, they started smelling it. Nope, absolutely not. Oh, that look of diabolical look. He's like, that's what it smells like? Yeah, no, gross. I'm disgusted. On to number 3. I love these cats that look so disgusted. Okay, on to 3. Here we go. Oh. The cat's like, get me out of here. Oh, and falls. Yeah, no. Oh, and it doesn't. That makes it worse. Oh my. The mess these cats make, all because they're curious. Oh no. Jesus, all these cats. Straight in. Oh my god. The dog's like, I've had enough of you. Oh. Oh. I hope both the cat and fish are okay. I can't out in the hole. Oh gosh. Aw. Okay, let me know in the comments what you think. And we're moving on to the last one. Here we go. Oh my god. I want to see. How do you get in the bag? I love it. Oh. The cat's like not even secure. Oh Jesus. The cat. Oh, thank God. Oh my god. Oh, the cat's just in the pot. That's his new bed. Oh, he's like, don't you like it though? I'm finding my love. Oh my god. Aw. No, thank you. No, thank you. That's like one of my dogs. Aww. Aw. Nope, I'm the baby. Here's the other one. Okay, let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. Let me know. I love to hear about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what else you'd like to see from me. Okay, that's it. I don't know what else I was going to say. Bye for now. Chat soon.